Let's take a quick look at how the financial news media affects long-term investors. We'll start by defining the purpose of today's financial media. Why are they in business? It's to make money. And in order to make money, they need your eyeballs. They get people to tune in by making everything seem urgent, and the media plays on your emotions. We are prone to act and tune in when emotions of greed and fear are triggered, and they know how to trigger it expertly. It's hard to ignore the media because we can't get away from it. We have print media, TV stations devoted to market information, magazines telling us where to invest, and websites to stay on top of everything. The media is everywhere, and it's 24/7. Since we can't get away from it, it's helpful to ask ourselves a few questions to keep proper perspective. Why do people tune into the financial media? To be informed? Okay, but what does the media inform us of? Quotes, predictions, all things based on short-term events. What would it look like if the media actually had the best interest of long-term investors? What would the headlines and the news stories say? Perhaps that today's events won't matter? Or that there's no reason to even tune in other than to create anxiety? Maybe it would help us understand the difference between investors and speculators. How about an investment newsletter that focused on long-term investors? What would they say? They might remind us not to worry about the markets and instead focus our energies on more important things. Maybe they would share stories of what happens to investors who allow market watching to impact their relationships. Since we don't have any financial media for long-term investors, all we can really do is speculate as to what it might say. It's important to acknowledge that the financial media today is not conducive to long-term investors. And while it's always good to be informed, we need to ask if that information helps us achieve our goals and objectives or merely is designed to make us afraid. For this reason, it is best to ensure your plan, not the financial media, is your primary guide for your financial decisions. I can help you develop and stick to that plan. Contact me today for more information.